Hello everyone, today we will unbox the Huawei Mate 20, sorry guys. This is 128GB and 6GB of internal, no, 6GB of RAM, and color is twilight, as you all guys can see. Now let's unbox the phone. As you all guys can see, this is the phone. Now let's boot it up. It's all screen. This is pretty, so pretty, but fingerprint magnet, as you all guys can see, with the 3GB of RAM and 6.49 I think screen to body ratio. Now let's see what's inside the box. I think we will get a plastic cover, just some paper and SIM ejector tool, and we also get a 22-watt fast charger, and we also will get a Type-C and a regular headphone. What's beautiful about this phone, it has a regular headphone jack. I'm a person who love headphone jack, so I didn't go with the Mate 20 Pro because the quality and features that are available on the Mate 20 Pro, I just don't need them. Like in display fingerprint scanner, I don't need them, or charging other phones, I don't need them. But all you guys can see, this is the red button, this is the design, as you all guys can see, and this is the back of the phone. Now let's wait for the phone to boot up and see how the phone will perform. Yes, I love this headphone jack. I'm really fan of it because I have tons of headphones, and also you will get IR blaster. As you all guys can see, this is the screen, and the chin is small as the iPhone X or XS Max. Now let's finish the setup, and let's finish this quickly. Oh sorry guys. Guys, any speed test, any comparison you want in the future with this phone, just tell me in the comment section below, and I will try to do it for you as soon as possible. So guys, this was the unboxing of the Huawei Mate 20 Android 9 with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of total storage. And this is the camera of the phone. Now let's open it. As you guys can see, 1x, 2x and 0.6x, 1x, 2x, even further for 10x. And this is the video and photo. Now let's as you guys can see, 12 megapixel, 9 megapixel, 8 megapixel the camera, but don't be fooled with that megapixel, because the photos with the Mate 20 Pro are really about the same. As you guys can see, video pro more, as you guys can see, aperture, everything available in this phone. I love this phone, even with the small chin. I love this phone. So guys, this was the unboxing of the Huawei Mate 20. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video if you like it. Any speed test, any comparison, any camera test you want in the future, just tell me in the comment section below and I'll do that for you. Peace out. Kunu bisalam.